Ford Mustang GT3 is a dark horse, derived, factory-backed race car. Boasting carbon fiber bodywork and a big ol' swan neck wing, the GT3 spec Stang will start global competition in 2024. The Ford Mustang GT3 is what happens when the new V8-powered dark horse model is transformed from a badass street car into a full-blown race car. Making its debut today on the eve of this year's historic 24 Hours of Le Mans, Ford says it is officially entering the Mustang in the global FIA GT3 category. This time next year, the factory-backed Mustang GT3 will compete in the 24 Hours of Le Mans. But that's after it'll compete in other racing series starting earlier in 2024. Among those are the World Endurance Championship and IMSA's GTD Pro class. The former series will see 2 entries by Ford's first customer team, Proton Competition out of Germany. The latter will feature a pair of entries from Ford Performance's factory team, which will be managed by Multimatic Motorsports and kicks off at the 2024 Rolex 24 at Daytona. Ford Performance had helped developing the GT3 Mustang from a couple longtime partners. Multimatic will help build and support the race cars, while M Sport will build the engines, which are race-tuned 5.4-liter V8s based on the new 5.0-liter Coyote engine that develops 500 horsepower on the Mustang the Dark Horse. Other upgrades on the GT3 variant include a rear-mounted transaxle and a unique suspension that uses an unequal-length double wishbone setup. Wearing a flashy livery by Troy Lee, who is said to rank among the top motorsport designers, the GT3 spec Stang also showcases Ford Performance's fresh logo. The simplified design will be plastered on all of F-Piece Racing creations, advertisements, and you name it. Beneath that colorful wrapper are a whole lot of carbon fiber body panels. There's no mistaking the GT3 variant for anything other than a Mustang, but its appearance is significantly altered. All 4 fenders balloon out, making it much wider. There are myriad cutouts for improved airflow and cooling too. Its face is positively menacing, with exposed carbon fiber surrounding the lower front air intake. Above are a set of fog lights to better illuminate the track during nighttime racing and in situations with poor visibility. Out back there's an enormous swan neck wing that sprouts from the sloping roofline rather than the deck lid. The protruding rear diffuser also looks like it could sever a limb or two. Inside, the Mustang GT3 looks nothing like its street-legal counterpart. Okay, the door handles are familiar. It's otherwise stripped down for maximum weight reduction, fitted with a roll cage for improved rigidity and safety, and there's a single Recaro racing seat facing a steering wheel that seemingly has more buttons and switches than Volkswagen's entire lineup of electric vehicles.